The top 1% of Amazon sellers don't guess. They calculate their exact penny perfect break-even price. They know the exact dollar amount where their profit hits zero. If the competitor's price goes below that line, the smart seller stops fighting and lets the competitor sell out of stock at a loss. But how do you calculate this instantly, without messy Excel sheets? Enter seller service _world US Pro V3.7. It is a 100% offline, military-grade desktop profit calculator designed specifically for the Amazon US market. You enter your costs once, and the software instantly locks your total expenses, calculates your exact break-even price, and shows your real raw plus. It is 100% offline, meaning your winning product research stays strictly private and safe from cloud data leaks. But here is the absolute game changer. US Pro V3.7 comes with 2 exclusive smoke gun export features. Instead of manually copying data, you can export your entire product analysis directly to a highly professional, beautifully formatted Microsoft Word report. Need to compare multiple products? Use the second smoke gun feature to export your data straight to Microsoft Excel. In just seconds, you can build a 100-product playbook, completely organized and ready for your business strategy, meetings, or investor. Protecting your Amazon account means protecting your margins and playing by the rules. Do not let a simple math mistake cost you your entire business. If you are ready to secure your data, calculate penny-perfect profits, and use the smoke gun export features to build your professional Amazon playbook, check the link in the description to get your lifetime license for Amazon Pro V3.7. Today, make sure to subscribe to Seller Service World for more advanced Amazon strategies, market updates, and tools designed to help you dominate the US, UK, and European marketplaces. Protect your account and keep scaling. The limited promo code PRO50 at checkout to get a massive 50% off.